monkey. Yes, no childrens? And what you have to do is, you should write that all exercise in your fair book. We'll send you that. Okay. Next, now going to the lesson number 2. Where is Duke? Lesson number 2. Where is Duke? Okay, you all are thinking, what is Duke? What is Duke? Do you know? Duke means it's a name. Duke means it's a name. You all have one name now. Like, my name is Nirupama. Like that, you also have your own name now. So, it is also one type of name. Duke. Whose name it is? Do you know that? No. Even I too don't know. Whose name is that Duke? We'll learn that in this lesson. Okay. So, before starting the lesson, I would like to ask you some question. Okay, one question. Which animal you like most? Which animal you like most? Whether it's a cat, dog, elephant, fox. Which one? For example, I like cat because it looks very pretty. Like that, you also have one pet animals, no? In your home? Yes, we all have one pet animals in our home, isn't it? It may be dog, cat, parrot, etc. Isn't it? Next, here, let us begin the lesson. Look children here. Circle the odd one in each of these groups. Circle the odd one in each of these groups. Means you have to circle the odd one. Odd means opposite. For example, here they are giving the 3 words. In this, there are two words are same, but one is different. You have to circle that one. Different. Odd means different. Okay. Rainfall, storm, sunny. Which one you circle it here? Rainfall, storm, sunny. Which one? Rainfall means raining. And storm means, what is storm? A strongest wind. A strongest wind is called storm. And sunny, hot. Sunny is hot. Rainfall, storm, sunny. Which one you circle? Yes, here sunny we have to circle. Because when storm is there, that time it will rainfall. So, we have to choose the sunny. Circle the sunny. Circle it out. All of you circle this in your textbook. That is page number 9. Okay, next. Sunshine, rainbow, monsoon. Sunshine, rainbow, monsoon. Which one you circle it here? Sunshine. Sun is shining. And rainbow, monsoon. When the rainbow comes? When it's raining. Before the raining, when the weather is cloudy, that time we can see the rainbow, isn't it? So here we have to choose this one, sunshine, isn't it? Sunshine. Circle the sunshine. Next, wet puddle, dryness. Wet puddle, dryness. Here you all are thinking wet means you know and dryness means you know. These two are the opposite words. But here puddle means what? Puddle. Do you know what is puddle? Puddle means it's a small pond. When it rain comes, there is some puddle on the road. Means a small pond with the water. Means wet and puddle become same here. Wet and puddle becomes same here. The odd one is dryness. You have to circle the dryness. This is the odd one. Yes, children, understood? Circle these 3 words in your textbook. Shall I start the lesson now? Yes, children, I am going to start the lesson now. Rahul and Anju are sitting in the house. Rahul and Anju are sitting in the house. Means here Rahul and Anju are the brother and sister. Okay. Rahul is a brother and Anju is a sister. They both are sitting in the house. It is raining. It is raining. Means the outside is, it's raining. Rain is coming. It is raining and the wind is blowing. When the rain comes, how is the weather? It's a cold, no? The wind will blow, isn't it? Wind is blowing. Do you know what is blowing? Blowing means what? I'll tell you. That is the new word. Blowing means new word. So children, copy this in your notebook. Blowing, B-L-O-W-I-N-G. Blowing means air moving with a speed. Air moving with speed. Okay, copy this in your notebook. Air moving with a speed is called blowing. Means wind is how the wind will blow. Wind means air. It is blow very speed, no? We cannot catch that. When the wind is passing, we cannot catch that because it's a blowing. It is very speed. Isn't it? Next. Close the windows, Rahul says Mrs. Menon. Close the windows, Rahul says Mrs. Menon. Here, Mrs. Menon means Sia. These are brother and sister, Rahul and Anju. And she is the Mrs. Menon. Means these children's mother. Okay, the mother name is Mrs. Menon. What the mother is saying? The mother says, close the window, Rahul says Mrs. Menon. Close the windows. Why? Why she told to close the windows? Because it is raining outside. It's raining outside. That's why the mother said that close the windows, Rahul. Next, you close the doors, Anju. You close the doors, Anju. Okay, and Anju, the mother said to Anju, you close the doors. Yes, children, door means what? Window means what? Windows means kitaki. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಿಟಕಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಾಗಿಲು. ರಾಹುಲ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಮುಚ್ಚಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಬಾಗಿಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಕಿಟಕಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಚಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂಜುಗೆ ಡೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಾಗಿಲನ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಚಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. They will bang and the glass will break. They will bang and the glass will break. Means you all have seen that how the windows are made by using the iron and the glasses. Yes, no. If the strong wind comes, means the glass will break it, isn't it? So that's why the mother, Mrs. Menon, said to close the doors and windows because they will bang. Bang means to hit something hard. What is bang? Bang means to hit something hard. Means ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಆ ಕಿಟಕಿಗಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಬಂದು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬಡದಾಗ ಹಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪಳಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅವು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೂರ್ ಚೂರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಿಟಕಿಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಚ್ಚಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. There is a storm outside. There is a storm outside. What is storm here, childrens? Do you know? Storm means bad weather with strong winds. Storm means strong winds. Winds and rain. Copy this in your notebook, children. Storm, strong winds and rain means ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ, ಮಳೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ winds and rain, both together we call it as a storm. There is a storm outside, says Mrs. Menon. See here, look at this picture. The Mrs. Menon said that there is a strong storm outside. Mummy, where is our dog Duke? Mummy, where is our dog Duke? So the children asked to Mummy. Here Duke means dog's name. Here Duke means dog's name. The children and the mother is having one pet dog. That name is Duke. So the children asked, where is Duke, Mummy? Mummy replied, sorry, is he out in the storm? Asked Anju. Rahul said, Rahul asked, where is Duke? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಡೂಕ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಾಹುಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ. ಅಂಜು ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಲು, is he out in the storm? Is he out in the storm? Asked Anju. Means ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಮಳೆ ಇದೆ, ಅವನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾನ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅಂಜು asked. Let us see if Duke is hiding, says Rahul. Let us see if Duke is hiding, says Rahul. Duke is hiding means hiding andre ಏನು? Hide. You all know that one game, hide and seek. Yes, no? Hide andre ಏನು? Hiding andre ಅವಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ಮರೆಯಾಗಿ ಇರುವುದು. ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣದೆ ಅವಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೈಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಆ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರುವಂತ ಡೂಕನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹುಡ್ಕೋಣ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂಜು ಅಂಡ್ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಡೂಕ್. ಆ ಒಂದು ಡೂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟ್ರು. ಅಂಜು ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕಿಚನ್. ಅಂಜು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ಲು, ಅಂಜು ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕಿಚನ್. Next page, children, turn the next page, page number 10. Anju and Rahul look for a Duke. Anju looks in the kitchen. Directly, Anju went to see the Duke in the kitchen, but Duke calls Anju. What the Anju calls? Duke. Okay. Next, Duke calls Rahul. ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ಡ್ಯೂಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಒಂದು ಪೆಟ್ ಡಾಗಿನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಮನೆಯೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಂಜು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಲು, ಕಿಚನ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಲು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂಕ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್. ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕೂಗಿದ್ರು ಆ ಡ್ಯೂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಮಮ್ಮಿ, ಡ್ಯೂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಮಮ್ಮಿ, ಡ್ಯೂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಮಮ್ಮಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಡ್ಯೂಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Where can he be hiding? Asked Rahul. Rahul ಏನಂದ, where can be he is hiding? Asked Rahul. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರು ಸಿಗಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅವನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರಂದ್ರು, ರಾಹುಲ್ ಅಂದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, Rahul looks for Duke in the dining room, but he is not there. Again, Rahul searched Duke for in the dining room. ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಊಟ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಜಾಗ, ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಲ್, ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್ಂಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ Duke. Then again, Duke is here, says Mrs. Menon. Duke is here. Who found the Duke? Mrs. Menon. The children's mother is Mrs. Menon. She found that Duke and said, Duke is here. Duke ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. He is hiding under the bed. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಡ್ಯೂಕ್? He is hiding under the bed. ಬೆಡ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಂಚದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು, ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ಯಾರು? ಡ್ಯೂಕ್. See here in the picture. He is hiding under the bed. Okay. Next, he is afraid of the storm. He is afraid of the storm. Means, afraid means what? That is the new word. Those words are in blue, no? Those are all the new words. Afraid. What is afraid mean? Feeling fear.